Today we'll be unboxing the 1-inch titanium styler, the Elite. Let's look at the back. You can see the specs of the flat iron. So let's see what we're looking at here. Let's go ahead and pull this flat iron out. Go ahead and take this out, the pull. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Got a nice travel bag with the Profashion logo on it. I love how these all come with travel bags now. It's very nice. Let's open this up. We got the heat resistant mat right here for you to set it down. Again, this one does come with a glove as well. You have a travel adapter. Nice thermal resistant package here. Warnings, getting you started. Yeah, and that's everything that comes with the 1-inch titanium styler, the Elite by Profashion.